Hey, if you're looking for an half-inch impact driver socket set, then you need to check this out. This one here is from Ezark. This is a 31-piece set. Let me show you what they look like. First thing I want you guys to know, this is not a chintzy little set. This is very durable case here. This thing has some weight to it. The material it's made out of is top-notch. So this is a serious set. Has this nice, durable, rugged case. Metal clips here on the end. All right, let's take a look here. First, I want you to know that these are all made out of CRV steel. So that's for enhanced hardening, make these things extremely strong. Now, down here on the black side, you're going to see that these are all metric. Starts here at 10 and goes sequentially all the way up to 24. The top side here is going to be your standard fraction, and you're going to start at a 3/8 and work your way all the way up to a 1-inch piece. Here's some of the adapters that it comes with. You can see this is a 1/2-inch adapter, just gives it a little extra reach. This one here is a 3/8 to 1/2-inch adapter. You have this 6-inch extension piece, and you have a 10-inch extension piece along with this 3-inch one. So there's lots of versatility here with this set. I like how there's room to get your finger behind and easily get these out. Yet, when you push it back in, they stay snugly into place. Here I want to show you how this works on this barn door, this piece right here. The adapter here, because it's a deep set, will fit over top of this domed nut here. Makes it very easy. These are great for getting off lug nuts that are stubborn and stuck on there. So there you have it. If you guys are considering getting this set here from Ezark, I hope this helped you out a little bit.